Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this photograph. I think they found it on Facebook and they really want to reduplicate it. This is a text called Cooper Black, which is pretty close to this one. I am going to go to Object and convert it all to a curve. Well, you know what? I'm not going to do that yet. I am going to left click, right click. I'm going to go ahead and position put the L. So with the shape tool, we can grab that node, and if you hold down the control button, it'll be perfect. Put it about right there. The V and the E are the same. That looks pretty good. The H and the T, just grab that node of the H and bring it in. The I and the S are separated. So now I'm going to grab it all. I'm going to go up to Object and convert it to a curve. I'm going to go up to Object and break the curve apart, because that way I can get these individual pieces. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to separate the letters. I'm going to change my nudge factor to like 1 inch, and I'm going to move these out of the way. I'm going to move this one, all the ones that are touching. I'm going to select them all. I'm going to give them an outline of 0.31. Now I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, grab the eyedropper tool, grab that color, and fill in. Now you see it made our item smaller, or our outline smaller. So I could have made my outline thicker, but this will work. Now, because it's a curve and it's broken apart, we can get rid of that. Now go to basic shapes or common shapes, grab your heart, and just don't hold down I get so used to holding down the control button. Kind of make a fat heart. Now we're going to make that black, and we're going to go and make it that 0.31, and we're going to get the Smart Fill tool, same color. So, well, this is actually a different color. Let's back up here. I don't ever like putting colors on top of colors. We'll grab the eyedropper tool and take a sample of that magenta. Now, what we can do is move everything back. And what we're going to do here is go to Object, Order, Front of Page. That put that V in front. Go over here, Object, Order, Front of Page. Move the T over, both of them. And this is still in front. Object, Order, Front of Page. It's not exactly the same font. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to change my nudge factor to 0.02. And I'm going to grab both these and I'm going to move them over slightly. Maybe even do the same to this since we moved the H. Now, if you wanted them the same, what you could do is Control G to group it, Control G to group it. I'm going to go ahead and hit L on the keyboard and put them even that way. Now I'm going to measure this. This is 0.2628, 0.26. So I can go 0.2. Well, I forgot what it was. Let's just, right here with our ratio lock, let's just make it 0.26. Whoop. Oh, it's 2.6. And grab the same here, 2.6. Now these are the same. You could hit L on the keyboard again and kind of do that. And because we have a smaller nudge factor, I can just nudge this up, get a little bit closer. And I could have made the outline thicker. Now, they have it on a black background. I'm going to put a black box, Order, back a page. So it doesn't show the outline. And you could take that box, here's a good little trick. Take that box, hold down the control button, and add a little white by left-clicking white. So I've got a little bit. So now you can kind of see the outline more so of the letters. And this would, you don't have to use black. If we did it on a blue shirt, that's what it would look like. Pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.